the cover is all like almost completely sugar, but then there's some flavoring in it too. There's mint flavor in it. And it has the unusual property of dissolving very quickly when you drop it in soda, which for our purposes is great. And if you got a bottle full of water, the Mickey Mouses are water molecules, and the brown thing is a carbon dioxide. It's a carbon with 2 oxygens on it. For some reason, the carbon dioxides like to jam themselves between Mickey Mouses. And they get stuck there. They just find places where they want to be and fit right in the middle. And the odd thing is, the colder it is, the more of them you can jam in. Now, suppose I wanted to jam some carbon dioxide in there, I could just put my mouth over it and go, because there's carbon dioxide in my breath when I breathe out. But I can only push about 1/2 of a psi by doing that. We'd like it more like 50 psi. So I have a tank down here with carbon dioxide in it. And there's carbon dioxide gas is coming out. CO2 is trying to get into the water. There's not a lot of it happening there. You smack it and more goes in.
Oh dear. So will we get extra points? I probably won't explode.
Now, it's slightly fizzy water. How can we test it to see if it's really slightly fizzy water?
Shake it.
We could drink it, sure. We could shake it. That'd be a good idea. I'll shake it. Oh, we can shake it this way. Yeah, you can tell it's slightly fizzy. Now, at the place where they make soda pop, they increase the pressure quite a bit. They go up to about 80 psi, and they really punch it in there so that your soda is super fizzy. Evil Mr. Fred had designed a Death Star. He was going to blow up the know-it-all planet just because he didn't want everybody to know stuff. So he made this vicious Death Star in the shape of a bunny's head. But his minions wouldn't get on until he put a mustache on it and a hat and a frown. There. And the objective was to use the Death Star to blow up the know-it-alls planet. And then when he got there, he saw the black hole. He said, "Whoa, this is great. I don't even have to waste energy blowing it up. They're going to get sucked right into the black hole." You have a cap with a hole in it. You get to choose the size of the hole. And some of the holes are big, some are small, some have tubes attached, some don't. Then one of you will screw this onto your soda bottle and then drop the Mentos, and it will squirt through the hole.
Did you want a cap for this too?
Oh, yeah, fine. Maybe I can just take off one of those. Whoa, that went higher than the building. That's 24 feet.
Okay, that went above the...
Well, here they get to modify the cap. They can add anything they want to it, whatever's laying around. They can drill holes in it, glue straws onto it, whatever they feel like, to see if they can make it go higher.
We're gonna drop in here if we can figure out
Nice.
how.
Open it, Jack.
Okay, they had to dump out some of their soda. Now they got 10 Mentos in there. Okay, there it goes. Whoa! Woohoo!